Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and review on this replacement virtual wall barrier for iRobots. This is made by Avenzio. So you get two of them. I left one in the box. I've taken one out already. Now the first thing we're going to do is we got to put some batteries in it. Now it does take two AA batteries. So you're going to put one, there's a positive sign right there, put the positive in, then the negative, put the thing in. Now this has two positions. We've got the virtual wall position. It's going to shoot a laser out this way right here. And so when the Roomba comes up to it, it's going to turn around and go back. But we can also make a barrier, like a circle. When you put it in the down position, it's going to shoot the laser up and it's going to go into that like mirror and make a circle. And so the Roomba, so you can put this around a dog bowl and it'll stay completely away from the dog bowl in a 360-degree radius. But again, if I put it up, it's going to shoot a laser out at a line. It says it'll make a 10-foot wall. And if I go down, I like that they put these stickers on here. That's a 2-foot circle radius around that. Again, completely 2-foot circle around that. Okay, let's do a quick measurement. That's about 4 1/4 inches. And again, that's about 1 3/4 inches that way. It's a square. Again, when I first saw these in the pictures, these things look huge. I thought they stood up really tall. They're super, super small. Now you will see a light come on around here for a little bit when you first turn it on, but the light does go out. And with AA batteries, they say they're gonna last about 3 to 4 months. Okay, so here I have a Roomba 692. You'll see it has this sensor right here on the front. That sensor is the exact height of the wall and this barrier. So when you've got it on, you'll notice your room, when it's going across, like you want to protect it from a room, the Roomba is going to come up, this sensor is going to sense it, and it's going to turn around and go away from it. Now, when I have these up, it stays about 1 foot. So if this is right here, it's going to come up to right about here and then turn away and go away. But if I've got it in the other position, it'll stay 2 feet away and turn around. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.